The most precious thing we have.
Midlife butterfly, a woman in the sacred in between. She's not who she once was, and not quite who she's becoming yet. She's unraveling, awakening, remembering. She's navigating life transitions, divorce, loss, reinvention, moves, with a burning desire for freedom, joy, and soul-led living. She feels the pull to rise, to fly. She is no longer afraid of her own wings.
Welcome back to the Midlife Butterfly podcast. This is your host, Kenna Sue. Thank you for being here one more time. This is gonna be sweet and short. And what I want to talk today about, my love, is it's about the most precious thing you and I will ever have, which is not money, it's not time, it's not even love. It's simply the present moment. And yeah, you might be rolling your eyes and say, oh, yeah, I've heard that about, I heard about that before. But I want you to stay with me because it's something that we forget about it and we take for granted. Because the truth is, most people don't actually live here. They are running, they are chasing, they are rushing towards a future that it might happen. While at the same time, you are missing what is already happening now. And now we wonder why there's so much anxiety and depression in the world. It's because we are focusing in something else instead of this very beautiful present moment that we have. Because the now is the only moment that we can actually experience. It's this one. It's right now that you're listening to me. It's right now, this moment that you are having now. It's not tomorrow, not next year, not when you finally have it all together. It's this moment right now. And if you really let yourself land in here, there is peace. There is joy. There is abundance. It's all here. It's hiding in plain sight. But if we keep overthinking in the future, if we keep being worried about the past, we are missing again the most precious thing that you will ever have. How much time do you spend just scrolling your phone, in social media? How much time do you spend, thinking about the next thing? You achieved something, you crossed the checklist and this is done, and what's next? Worrying about the future, that it might never arrive. Because the only moment we have is now. Nothing is for granted. Don't take life for granted because it can go in a second. Just like this. And if you are worrying about that future, it's like being in the most delicious feast ever and never tasting a single bite because you're too busy planning what you will eat tomorrow. Who cares? What are you caring about tomorrow? I know what this is, because I used to live like that. I used to have a lot of anxiety and worrying about the future. And the thing is, the worry about the future is because we were trying to control it. Aren't you trying to control the future? The truth is, how much control about that do you really have? What you can really control is your mind. And if you train your mind to be in the present moment, to be aware, or be most of the time aware of what is happening right now, that's the best thing you can ever do. That's the best thing. So my invitation for you today, and I know it's challenging, it's something very simple, but I know it's challenging because we've been programmed to go after the next thing and have to get this and achieve that. And that's the matrix. That's the truth. But what I inviting you today is to stop. To stop and simply take a breath with me right now. Breathing in through the nose, letting it out through the mouth. And just notice your body. Notice the mind, how it comes to a peaceful moment, even if it's for a second now. But the more you get to practice this, the more peace you're gonna bring into your life. Because it doesn't matter what's happening out there. There's always going to be chaos. There's always going to be excitement. There's always going to be sadness. And, we live in a dual life. But the more you get to come to this present moment, to have these conscious breaths, the more you'll see how how time will expand. Because yes, the more present you are, time expands. And you will notice how your anxiety will decrease. Because you will realize that anxiety is based on you trying to control a future, that it might come or not. Trying to control something that you can't really control. And the more you are present, the more you will enjoy life. Because life is happening now. It's not happening tomorrow. And it's not happening yesterday with regrets and shame and forgiveness that you are not giving first to yourself and then to others. So after you take a deep breath again, what is it that you see around you? What is it that you can hear? What is it that you can smell? What is it that you can feel? Use all your senses. That's what your body is for. That's what your soul is in this body. So you can experience life with those 5 senses and beyond. and whatever is around you, whatever is, that's life. It doesn't have to be perfect and will never be. It's about living with equanimity, accepting what is, understanding that where you are at this very moment is exactly where you have to be. So stop rushing, stop chasing, and start living this precious moment that you have. Because this is the real thing. When you can be here, you are free. Because the more present and the more aware you are, the more you get to choose what to experience in your life. So yeah, the most precious thing you have is not out there. It's not someday. It's right here. It's in your hands. It's in your breath. It's in your heartbeat. And if you're not enjoying these very moments right now, you are not enjoying your life. You are wasting your life. And that's what you feel like you are surviving and not thriving. So slow down, drop in, and taste the sweetness of this now. How beautiful is it? Because life is happening now, not later, just right now. Sending you lots of love as usual. Have a wonderful day and take care. Hey, my love, I hope you enjoyed this short and sweet episode as a beautiful reminder to live life right now. And if you would like to work with me, I have my coaching programs. I have the Beautiful Path, which is a 6-week journey. And if you would like to go deeper into a curriculum for you to start living a better life, to connect with yourself, love yourself again, build self-care habits that it will create the life that you want to experience and go towards the dream life that you deserve, that you desire, that you can actually build on. That's my Truth Seeker program, which is a 6-month journey. So yeah, reach out if you would like to work with me. It will be my pleasure. Thank you so much again for listening. Thank you for tuning into Midlife Butterfly. If this episode lit a spark in you, hit that subscribe or follow button on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or wherever you love to listen, so you'll never miss the magic. If you're feeling generous, drop a review on Apple Podcasts. It helps this empowering content reach more souls ready to transform their lives. And don't forget to take a photo of you while listening and share it on your socials. You can tag me at KenasYou so I can celebrate you and your expansion. Until next time, keep spreading those wings and living in joy, growth, and pleasure.